Welcome back to your geometry class. In this video, I'm going to help you obtain the 8 arrangements of any proportion. To complete this task, we're going to label this part as A, and this is B, this is C, this is D. And we're going to repeat A, B, C, D. If you want to forward this video, go ahead. I'm going to finish labeling, and it would be a great idea that you write down your notes with me. All right? Okay, so we have A, B, C, D. Okay, we finished labeling. Now, the first one, I'm going to do it downward direction. Therefore, we can write as A to B, that's your left side, is go to right side, downward direction, C to D. Of course, you can switch left side and right side. So you have C to D is A to B. That's your first two. So 8 arrangement, we already finished 1/4, 25%. Yay! Okay, next one. This one, we're going to do, let me change the color. We're going to do from bottom to the top direction. Okay? All right. Now, bottom to the top, we're going to do left side. B to A is bottom to the top, right side, we have D to C. Now, you know what's coming. We're going to switch left and right. D to C is B to A. Okay, I'm going to get another pretty color. All right, the third one, I'm going to do this direction, from left to right. Okay, from left to right, I'm going to write for the top first, left to the right. So I have A to C, then I'm going to write for the bottom, left to right, equals B to D. You know what's coming. We're going to switch. B to D is A to C, which is completed 75%. We're almost done. The last one, let's get another pretty color. Let's get, this is pretty. We're going to go this direction, okay? Okay, now we're going to write for the top first. We write C to A is right for the bottom, right? D to B. Last one, we're going to switch left and right. D to B is C to A. Now, this is how you get 8 arrangements for any proportion. Thank you for spending time with me. Happy learning.